Welcome to Mathematics with Suleiman. I'm currently discussing 2025 final matric paper, and this question is on quadratic patterns.
So please, very important to subscribe to my channel so that it can enable me to do some more videos. So please, people, don't only watch my videos, also subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be able to see more of my new videos coming.
National Senior Certificate, Grade 12, Mathematics Paper 1, November 2025, Question 3. Question 3. The depth of a torpedo below sea level forms a quadratic pattern where 0 meters is at sea level. A submarine tracked a torpedo in 1 second intervals. If you ever look at the diagram, see where's the submarine and where's the torpedo. Now the depth in meters that the torpedo reached is given in the table below. At the end of the first second, 36 meters. At the end of the first 2 seconds, 71 meters. At the end of the first 3 seconds, 104 meters. 3.1. You must calculate the depth of the torpedo at the end of the first 5 seconds. 3.2. Show that the depth of the torpedo at the end of n seconds was Tn equals to negative n squared plus 38n minus 1. 3.3. Calculate the maximum depth that the torpedo reached. And 3.4. After how many seconds was the torpedo at 104 meters below sea level for the second time? Question 3.1. Calculate the depth of the torpedo at the end of the first 5 seconds. Now remember, the first 3 values were given, 36, 71, 104. And you'll notice that the second difference between the first 2 terms is 35. Then the second difference between the second 2 will be 33. So that gives you a second difference of minus 2. So therefore we can determine that the first difference should be 31 then, and then the fourth one should be 29. And that's how we can find the values of 135, and then of course finally 164, which of course is the fifth term. So therefore after 164 meters will be reached after 5 seconds. Then 3.2, show that the depth of the torpedo at the end of n seconds was then Tn equals to negative n squared plus 38n minus 1. Now you remember the formulas. The first one is 2a equals to the second difference, so it's equal to negative 2. So therefore a is minus 1. Then you remember 3a plus b equals to 35. That is how we use the first difference, the first term of the first difference. So a is negative 1, so it gives you b as 38. Then to get the c value, you know it is a plus b plus c equals to the first term, which is 36. Then therefore c is then negative 1. Then we resubstitute back into an squared plus bn plus c, and we get then that tn is negative n squared plus 38n minus 1. Question 3.3. Calculate the maximum depth that the torpedo reached. Remember, this is a quadratic function, so therefore it is a typical parabola. And you recall, to find the maximum turning point of a parabola, we use negative b over 2a. And of course, so b is then a 38, and over 2 times minus 1, which is 19. Then we substitute this 19 back into the formula we've determined previously, and you'll get 360 meters. Question 3.4. After how many seconds was the torpedo at 104 meters below sea level for the second time? So we take the formula we already done previously, minus n squared plus 38n minus 1 equals to 104. Right, bring 104 to the left hand side, factorize or use the formula, then we get n equals to 35, or we get n equals to 3. So therefore we accept n equals to 35 as the final answer. Thank you for watching Mathematics with Suleiman. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Remember, subscription is free, and with your subscription, it can help me and encourage me to do more videos.